In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Trustpilot app to your website from the Wix app market, connect your account, and customize the display to perfectly match your site's aesthetics. Whether you're looking to boost your site's credibility or showcase customer reviews, this is a straightforward process that will enhance your user's experience and potentially build trust with your audience. First things first, let's get started by visiting the Wix app market. From your Wix dashboard, look for the app market icon, which you can find on the left-hand side of the interface. This is your gateway to a multitude of apps that can enhance your site's functionality, including Trustpilot. In the search bar, simply type in Trustpilot and hit enter. You'll see the Trustpilot Reviews app appear in the search results. Click on it and you'll be taken to an overview page that provides details about the app's features and benefits. If everything looks good to you, hit the Add to Site button. This step integrates the Trustpilot app into your Wix site, making it convenient to manage your reviews directly from your dashboard. Now, let's move on to connecting your Trustpilot account. To do this, navigate back to your Wix editor. You should see the newly added Trustpilot app on your site. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to connect your Trustpilot account. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login information. If not, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Once your account is connected, your existing reviews will be imported automatically, and you'll be set to start displaying them on your site. This connection is crucial as it ensures that the reviews displayed are genuine and reflect your business accurately. The final part of this process is customizing the display of your Trustpilot reviews. With the app already added and your account connected, the next step is to adjust how these reviews will be shown on your website. Return to your Wix editor, click on the Trustpilot app icon, and choose the Customize option. This section offers various customization settings, allowing you to tailor the appearance of the reviews. Whether you want to change color schemes to match your brand, adjust the layout to fit seamlessly with your existing design, or decide on the number of reviews to be showcased, this area gives you control over how each element looks. Invest some time in playing around with these settings to find a style that complements your website's theme and speaks to your audience. And there you have it. By adding the Trustpilot app from Wix's app market, connecting it to your account, and customizing the display, you can effortlessly feature authentic customer feedback on your site. This not only helps you build credibility, but also enhances visitor engagement. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful in bringing an extra layer of trust and professionalism to your website.